Hi, I'm Lucas from GT Towing, and today we're going to show you how to change your Ifor trailer breakaway cable. It is required by law that you have a breakaway cable on any braked trailer. It is up to you to ensure that the condition of your breakaway cable is adequate. If your cable is frayed or either clip onto the handbrake or your vehicle is damaged, it must be changed. If you are deemed to not have a safe breakaway cable, you may incur a fine and 3 points on your licence. First thing we need to do is to remove the split pin on the clevis side of your breakaway cable on the trailer, and this is located underneath the handbrake, just here. To do this, you may be able to just use your fingers. Alternatively, you may require a pair of pliers. Push through the pin on the clevis and the breakaway cable should come away. Most Ifor trailers feature a guide to feed the breakaway cable through, and that prevents it from rubbing whilst in transit. Just put it through this guide, and that is your old breakaway cable removed. To fit your new breakaway cable, first you'll need to remove the split pin, and you should be able to just pull that away straight away, and then pull the pin from the clevis. Here we'll want to feed the breakaway cable through the guide underneath the front of the trailer. Once you've done that, we can then start to attach the clevis. Line this up with the bottom hole on the handbrake. Feed the pin through the clevis. Your small washer then goes against the inside of the pin before inserting the split pin. After you've inserted the split pin, we want to just bend those around so that it doesn't come undone. Now we know that's safely attached, we can begin to attach this to the vehicle.